Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. These are general messages, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what else. Aquarians, okay, so we have the Two of Swords, the Devil, the Three of Swords. Okay. And then the Ace of Cups, the Hangman, the Six of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the Emperor, the Three of Cups, the Knight of Wands. This Nine of Wands is really active today. No point. Anyway. So Aquarians, you really need to deal with something. You are really dealing with, I should say, there you are dealing with something which is really causing a lot of pain, a lot of heartache. You wanting to take a decision regarding this situation. So definitely there is a painful situation. You're dealing with a lot of pain, a lot of agony. It's really causing you a lot of heartbreak, and there is something which you are trying to decide upon. You're taking your time to make up your mind to decide, but the thing is you are not, there is something which here which needs to be released and you're not able to do it. Either you are addicted to it, either it is a pattern in your life, or whatever it is, there is something in your life here which needs to be released. Okay, it is getting toxic and toxic, it is really making you suffer. There is a situation here which is causing you a lot of suffering and agony because you're not able to release it, or you're not able to deal with it or address that issue, whatever this issue is. It can be within you, it can be outside you, but then here this is something which is really causing you a lot of pain actually. Then we have the Ace of Cups, the Hangman, and the Six of Pentacles. So definitely there is a new beginning. You really are having a beautiful new beginning. It can be in love, it can be anything which you are very, very emotional about. You're feeling good about it. But the thing is, you're having a hard time, I think, to let go of whatever you are dealing with, and that is why you are not able to balance. You are wanting balance. We have the Hangman and the Six of Pentacles. So you are thinking of the ways and means to restore balance in your life with the Six of Pentacles. Since you have a new beginning, you are wanting to restore balance in your life, but the thing is, things are stuck. You are not able to, either you are thinking of the ways and means to sort out your life or balance your life or balance the situation, whatever it is, but you are still having that having a hard time. It's been a long time that you are trying to balance it, perhaps you're not able to. It's something like that. You are thinking of the ways and means of doing it. It's not that you are not thinking of the ways and means to do it. You are doing it also. There is some progress in this situation, but the thing is that it's taking pretty long for you to do it. Okay, since this new beginning and since this balance, it's been a long time. It's taking a lot of time for you to balance it. So this stagnation is losing the beauty of this new beginning actually, somehow. That's what I'm getting. Because of this, whatever you are dealing with here, it is destroying the beauty or slowing down the progress of the happiness you may feel or the stability you may feel. Okay, and then we have the Page of Swords, the Emperor, and the Three of Cups. So what I feel here is that you're looking for you want a reconciliation perhaps. See, it can be that you are wanting a celebration time, you're wanting a reconciliation, but somehow maybe it is your arrogance or it is your stubbornness or something like that, something of that sort which is stopping you perhaps from this. That's what I feel. You're being rigid to the fact That even though you know that I'll be happy if I reconcile with this person, or uh, be happy with them, but then there is something which is stopping you. It can be your own defensiveness, your stubbornness, your arrogance, dominating attitude, whatever it is, there is something. So even though you have the clarity that this is the solution to it, you're not able to do it, maybe. Then we have the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. So that's what I feel. There is something, it's something long standing, and it is long standing because of this devil being there. There is something which is, you're not able to release this issue actually, and that is what is causing this stagnation in your happiness. Also, you're not able to sort out your life, you're not able to balance the situation in your life. You want to be happy, you want to party with them, or you want to reconcile with them, you want to be with them, but then there is something which is stopping you. And it's like one moment you want to be with them, then again you withdraw perhaps. And it's been a long time like this, and that is what the confusion is about. That is why you are indecisive. Maybe you're indecisive, you really don't know, should I be with them, should I not, should I reconcile, should I not. And it is all coming up from something which you're not able to let go. The Eight of Diamonds, it is the comfort which you will be seeking through hard work. You really need to work hard on yourself and release all this, whatever it is, so that this indecisiveness ends and you get the happiness you deserve. The Eight of Abundance, this is the time of learning and honing your skills. You may feel inspired to go back to school, take seminars on topic that fascinate you, or educate yourself on healing arts. This is the good time to change jobs and make a career move. The key to success is in the details. Monitor your projects carefully. So Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.